It's, I have my bag that's making all that sound. I'll be back. All right. I'll make myself a quesadilla and then I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm just really craving a really cheesy quesadilla. So let's do it. So my friend gave me this, I want to say like 3 weeks ago. On the night, actually almost a month ago. So she gave me this, and it's growing so tall. It's crazy. All right, it's time to make pumpkin sugar cookies. I bought these for Halloween, but I never made them, so I'm gonna make it right now. 20 cookies going in the oven. Set cookie timer for 14 minutes.
Starting now.
It's time for Advent. Advent. Ready? Okay, it's day 7. He just went outside to play. That's why he's so tired. Wait, there is no 7. Sorry, Susie. Okay. Nothing to see here, just 2 donkeys in my front yard as I'm leaving. Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 8. We're starting it with a trip to Costco. I'm on my lunch. There is a Costco that's nearby work. I have to get gas. I have to make sure I have my Costco card though. Shoot. I'm pretty sure I do. So I have to get gas and then I have to go get some cheese because my cheese board business is back. Yay! So, yeah, I have to go get cheese. I have a board this Saturday and then I already have 8 boards scheduled for the next few weeks. So it's exciting, guys. I'm excited. It's back. And I have a few plans on how to redo my pantry for just to make it look a little bit better, have better flow. I can't wait for the creative side of things to make the boards and to, you know, make people happy with the designs that we choose. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to take you guys along Costco, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. Usually I film like 1 or 3 things and then nope, that's it. So I will show you guys once I'm in there. All right, so I'm making ribs. I bought them at Costco. I'll show you guys. I'll just cut them up and then I'm just going to let me read the instructions. All right. The oven is barely at 130, so I'm gonna let that heat up for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Costco. So, Boursin. This is one of the cheeses that I feature in my boards. I got Gouda. So, I'm able to kind of split this into 2 or I think 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 different boards. These Havarti, they were on sale. I love Havarti. This is vintage Havarti, aged 24 months. So that'll be good. I got 2 of those. I got Manchego cheese. This one I can also split into 3. So it's those little wedges. So there's 1, 2, 3. So the bigger boards will get like a larger slice, and then these I can split in 2. So that will be a nice one here. And then the last one I have is the fresh mozzarella balls. It's the ones that are already seasoned. So yeah, one of these. So that's what I got. There was a few that were missing from Costco that I usually get. But I have, you know, a second and third option if I don't find it. Second option is always Aldi. Third option is Trader Joe's. I'd rather just get all my cheese at like 1 or 2 places, but if I have to, I'll go to a third place. So these are all going in the outside fridge for boards this weekend.